Did you know that on average, the world loses 69 days to repetitive tasks that could be automated? Digital transformation has now transitioned from being a challenge to a necessity for business success. And central to this transformation is the automation of manual processes. As the hybrid work environment continues to evolve, so does the speed at which you get your work done. You can now work less and do more with Power Automate. While the cloud may well be the future, many businesses embrace the maintenance of legacy systems and integrate cloud computing, allowing seamless integrated systems. Those who fail to adapt find themselves falling behind competitors that have grasped the effectiveness of modern technology. What position do you find yourself in today? Are your business processes complex and in disparate systems? Your data is inconsistent, is not of value to your business? You are driving manual processes that are difficult to keep up with. Human error and duplication may be your enemy. Collaboration amongst your team is almost non-existent. As a result, your productivity levels are low and KPIs are not being met. It's time to break your barriers and join the rest of the world as they simplify their workflow and enjoy the perks of integrated automation. Choose to work less and do more with Power Automate. Enable your business to build intelligent workflows that work for you. Make agility, flexibility, and security your priority today. Scale with the demands of the market. Do away with overwhelming big data. Synchronize your files and use insights to build your business with smarter decision making. Accelerate productivity and become a robust, efficient, and successful business. Automate inventory and freight management. Automate billing and claims. Admission and discharge processes in the healthcare industry can be made simpler and smarter. Automate all your project planning and training. Take the hustle out of distribution and logistics. Whatever industry you may be in, automation can help optimize your existing processes. Power Automate today. Ensure that you and your team are happier and tap into endless possibilities with business intelligence. This will give you time to focus on high-level strategic opportunities that will take your business further.